is now busting a major terror module is concerned, which alleged links to Pakistan-based terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba, Pakistan spy agency the ISI, and Bangladesh-based terror organizations, arresting at least 8 suspects coming from Tamil Nadu and West Bengal in a coordinated operation. Now, investigators suspect that the group was planning a major terror strike in India under the direction of foreign handlers. Now, what is being said that these 6 suspects have been identified as well, and they are Miznur Rahman, Muhammad Shabat, Omar Muhammad Litan, Muhammad Shahid and Muhammad Ujjal. They have been arrested from garment manufacturing units in Tamil Nadu's Tirupur district, where 2 of them have meanwhile been arrested from West Bengal.
जो कि सभी के सभी बांग्लादेशी नेशनल्स हैं, उन 6 लोगों को गिरफ्तार किया गया। तो इस तरह से इसमें टोटल अब तक 8 गिरफ्तारियां हो चुकी हैं, जिनमें से 7 बांग्लादेशी हैं और एक जो उमर फारूक है, ये मालदा का रहने वाला है। मालदा जो वेस्ट बंगाल में जगह, वहां का रहने वाला है। इनके जो अब तक के मंसूबों से पता चला है कि देश के डिफरेंट कोनों में अलग अलग जगहों पे जहां हैवी फुटफॉल एरियाज होते हैं या सेंसिटिव एरियाज होते हैं, ये उसको टारगेट करने का प्लान बना रहे थे। और इन्होंने उसी के चलते इनके पास से कुछ ऐसा वीडियोस भी बरामद हुए हैं जिससे पता चलता है कि ये किसी कार्रवाई को अंजाम देने में थे, वेपन से इकट्ठा करने के उसमें थे। विद दीज अरेस्ट वी आर थैंकफुल टू वेस्ट बंगाल पुलिस ऑल्सो एज वेल एज तमिलनाडु पुलिस ऑल्सो कि उन्होंने इसमें कोऑपरेट किया। सेंट्रल एजेंसीज की मदद से ये सारे का सारा ऑपरेशन हुआ था और इस तरह से एक मॉड्यूल बस्ट किया गया। ये देवर इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ एक्वायरिंग वेपन्स और उस तरह का कुछ इनके जो फोन्स हैं, उस तरह के हमें चैट्स और उस तरह के फोटोग्राफ्स मिले इनके पास से। इन्होंने एक मॉड्यूल बस्ट किया है जो कि एक लश्कर का हैंडलर बांग्लादेश से बैठ के हैंडल कर रहा था और किसी बड़ी अनहोनी घटना को प्रिवेंट कर लिया गया है। बैकग्राउंड केस की ये है कि 7 फरवरी को दिल्ली के कश्मीरी गेट मेट्रो और आसपास के कुछ मेट्रो स्टेशंस पे पिलर्स पे एंटी नेशनल पोस्टर्स फिक्स कर दिए गए थे, जो कि मेट्रो सीआईएसएफ ने नोटिस किया और मेट्रो पुलिस के नोटिस में लेके आए दिल्ली पुलिस की जो मेट्रो यूनिट है।
Well, the anti-India posters were the lead as far as the investigative agencies that picked up on this busting of this terror module. According to the police, the module is said to be linked to the LAT, the Lashkar-e-Taiba, and its handler is said to be a Kashmir native currently operating from Bangladesh. Now, the handler is believed to have received terror training in Pakistan, and 8 arrested suspects were allegedly acting at his behest. And that is not all. The police have also revealed that many sensational details are now coming in those exposes there. Let's break down the details that have now been exposed by the police. In those 8 arrested terror suspects, what has now been said that they were plotting anti-India activities, and this is coming in from the police's special cell in Delhi Police, which has now busted this terror module. The module was handled from Bangladesh by Shabbir Ahmad Lone, and he's said to be, when it comes to the commander, the handler who was giving out these instructions. 7 out of the 8 terror suspects are Bangladeshi nationals. Anti-India posters that were said to be fixed on metro pillars at 10 plus locations in Delhi. That seems to be the lead that the police and the special cell picked up with their investigation when it comes to busting this terror module. The module members were said to be in contact through social media platforms there to avoid scrutiny, and suspects then moved between Delhi, Kolkata and Tamil Nadu. Now, what is being said that they use forged Aadhaar cards to hide their identities, and this is the information that has now been shared by the additional CP, the special cell, as far as busting of this terror module is concerned. Shefali is connected with us right now. Shefali, this is big. As far as when it comes to these arrests that have now taken place, a bigger terror conspiracy was in the light. Yesterday only we got the information, certain intel reports suggested that there could be a big terror attack that the LAT could be planning in Delhi, in Red Fort area, in temples especially, and where there is large tourist footfalls, and next day this information comes in.
Right, Amita, a big incident have been averted, we can say, as these 8 module have been arrested by special cell. And let me tell you, out of these 8, 7 are Bangladeshi nationals, and one hails from Malda, West Bengal. So right now the police is currently investigating, getting more details out of it as to what were the biggest conspiracy, what were they planning in it. But yes, there are also that they were using forged Aadhaar cards in order to stay here. Of course, they are not from here. So 6 of them were in Tamil Nadu. Rest 2 of them were based in West Bengal, from where they were living in a rented apartment. And one more thing, Shabbir Ahmed Lone, the name that is coming out, who was earlier in 2006-7, he was nabbed by special cell. He was in jail, but in 2017 or 18 he was released and he flee to Bangladesh. He flee to Pakistan through Bangladesh is what we have been told by special cell. So and he was the main handler who was operating or who was handling these accused who have been arrested. So now the special cell is currently investigating into the matter. We know it all started when the anti-India posters were put in Delhi, and through that the link was generated and it led the special cell to West Bengal, and that is when they also got to know that 6 other people who are currently residing in Tamil Nadu, and that's how they got more people. There are chances that there could be more such people there. An investigation is currently ongoing, as Pramod Kushwaha, who's the additional CP, has told us.
All right, Shefali, thank you very much for that live update. It could be a bigger module, and the crackdown would lead to another as far as when it comes to the arrest of these 8 suspects is now concerned. A big as far as when it comes to a success coming in for our security forces. Shefali, thank you very much for joining in.